क्लासटा बंद करो
चलो रेडी
क्लासटा थियो Good morning my dear student. I am going to teach class 5 literature chapter number 2 my experiment with truth. Actually this chapter or this prose is written by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, you know, Gandhiji. Okay. And about him, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. He was India's most important political and spiritual leader. He is honored in India as the father of the nation. We call him as father of nation due to his service or due to his non-selfishness service to our nation. His non-violent protest led to independence for India from the British. Gandhiji was a prolific writer. Prolific writer means he was a vibrant writer. He was a great writer. Okay. He edited several newspapers. Gandhiji also wrote several books, including his autobiography. Okay. The story of my experiment with truth. This is an autobiography which is written by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. And this chapter is an extract from his autobiography, the story of my experiment with truth. Okay. And finally, he died on January 30, 1948. Clear? Okay. Before going to this chapter, let's warm up a little. Which among the following book is written by Gandhiji? Here are some books. Okay. Book's name given in your book. You have to choose which one is written by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. You have to take it. I will say it later. And we will discuss it later in my next class. I must have seen about 7 when my father left Porbandar for Rajkot to become a member of Rajasthan Corps. There I was put into a primary school and I can recollect those days, including the names and other particulars of the teachers who taught me. Okay, I must have been about 7. That means Gandhiji wrote about himself that when he was about 7, his father left his house and left for Porbandar. Porbandar is the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi. So his father left Porbandar for Rajkot to become a member of Rajasthan Corps. Okay. Actually, his father was an employee of Rajasthan Corps. There, with his father, Gandhiji was put into a primary school there, and he remembered, okay, those school days when he was in Porbandar with his father. Okay, he was trying to remember the names and the particulars of the school and about the teachers who were taught Mahatma Gandhi. Then move to the next stanza. I could only have been a medical student. Here, medical means neither good nor bad. Okay, an average student, medical. It's a new word, medical. Average. Average, okay? Medical student. I had already reached my 12th year. I do not remember having ever told a lie, either to the teacher, to my schoolmates. I used to be very shy and avoided all company. Actually, he wrote about himself, about his childhood, that when he was about 12 years old, he never told any lie to his friend, either to his friends or to his teachers. Okay. And he was very shy during his childhood. Okay, shy and avoided all company. He liked to remain single or he alone. Okay. My books and my lessons were my sole companion. Here soul means S-O-L-E, soul. Soul means important. Soul means important. S-O-L-E, soul. Soul means important. Okay? Soul companions. Companions means friend. Friends. Okay? So he has no friends except his books and copies. Okay? He spent all of his time with his books and copies. To be at school at the stroke of the hour and to run back home as soon as the school closed. That was my daily habit. What was his daily habit? When his school was called, when the final bell was rang in his school, he immediately returned to his home without talking anybody along his way. Okay? And it was his daily habit. Okay? I ran back because I could not bear to talk to anybody. I was even afraid lest anyone should poke fun at me. My dear student, look at the phrase poke fun at me. Fun at me. Poke fun at me means to make fun. To make fun. Okay. Actually, he was always afraid about his friendship, about his friend, that if anybody or whether anybody make him fun. Okay. There was an incident which occurred in the examination during my first year at the high school and which worth recording. Mr. Giles, the educational inspector, had come on a visit for inspection. He had given us 5 words to write as a spelling exercise. Okay? Whatever you know, there was an incident when he was in school. Okay? When he was in school, he remembered about that. And what was the incident? When he was in school, the educational minister came to his school for looking something, okay, for inspection. Okay, the educational minister's name was Mr. Giles. He had given 5 words to write to the students of the class. Okay, one of the word was Kettle. What the 5 words were given to them? One of the word is Kettle, and Gandhiji has misspelled it. Misspelled means wrongly written. Okay, he wrote wrongly. I had misspelled it. The teacher tried to prompt me. Prompt. Here prompt. P-R-O-M-P-T. Prompt means to be informed or to make aware. To make aware. Okay? When Gandhiji had done the mistake, or when Gandhiji had written the word Kettle, okay, his teacher informed him or prompted him to correct it. Okay, but I would not be prompted. It was beyond me to see that he wanted me to copy the spelling from my neighbor's slate. Okay, actually, what the class teacher want Gandhiji to write, actually he wanted Gandhiji to correct the word Kettle from Gandhiji's neighbor. For I had thought that the teacher was to supervise us against copying. The result was that all the boys except me were found have spelled every word correctly. Only I had been stupid. Stupid means foolish. Okay? The teacher tried later to explain this stupidity to me, but without effect. I never could learn the art of copying. Actually, what happened, Actually, the teacher prompted Gandhiji. The teacher prompted Gandhiji to correct the word, but Gandhiji could not understand. He was so shy and he was so afraid to copying from his neighbor's slate. Okay. Finally, all the words written by the students, other students, were correct, but except Gandhiji. Okay. The teacher tried later to later explain the Gandhiji's stupidity, and but Gandhiji did not learn or couldn't learn how to copying it. Okay. There was an incident connected with the play. I had secured my father's permission to see a play performed by a certain drama company. This play was Harishchandra, captured my heart. I could never be tired of seeing it, but I was not allowed to go to watch it for often. It haunted me, and I must have acted Harishchandra to myself many times without counting. Actually, what happened, this was the incident which has happened in his school. Another incident, another important or sole incident was happened in Gandhiji's life. Actually, it is based on drama. Okay, Actually, Gandhiji had secured, or Gandhiji has taken some permission from his father to watch a drama which was played in his school. Okay, the drama was about Harishchandra. Actually, okay, the drama Harishchandra was actually Gandhiji was very much affected by Harishchandra. Okay, it captured his heart. I could never be tried to sing it, but I was not allowed to go to watch it more often. I could never be tired of seeing it. Actually, Harishchandra was a kind of play. Okay, it was affected Gandhiji so much that he never tried to watch it again and again and again. Clear? But he was not allowed to see it anymore. Okay. But this incident, okay, haunted him more and more. I must have acted Harishchandra to myself many times without counting. Actually, the play Harishchandra influenced Gandhiji, okay, at the extent that he wanted to play the character Harishchandra more and more and more without any tiring. Clear? Why should I not be truthful like Harishchandra? Was the question. After seeing the play Harishchandra, one question came to Gandhiji's mind, and it influenced him so much. The question was, why should not all be truthful like Harishchandra? Okay, this was the question he asked himself day and night to follow truth and go through the ordeals. Ordeals meaning ordeals, severe experience, ordeals. Ordeals means severe experience. Then ordeal Harishchandra went through was one deal that inspired me. I believed in the story of Harishchandra. The thought of it often made me weep. Actually, he was influenced by the play Harishchandra in such a way that sometimes he was wept about the life of Harishchandra. Okay, Harishchandra was generally Harishchandra was and truthfully Harishchandra was so truthful man. Okay, the character of Harishchandra influenced Gandhiji very much, and it made Gandhiji sometimes cry. Okay, weep means cry. Okay, my common sense tells me today that Harishchandra could not have been a historical character. Still, he is living reality for me. Actually, he is not such a historical character, but still, he is living in me. Okay, in me means in Gandhiji. Okay, and I am sure I would become sentimental. Sentimental means sentimental. Sentimental means emotional. Sentimental means emotional as before if I were to see that play again today. Actually, he was become so much emotional that he wanted to see it again and again in his life. Okay, this is the story about the play. Okay, the question answer will be discussed on our next class. So thank you, goodbye, and subscribe our channel. If you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe it and give a thumbs up. Okay, and if you have any doubt, please ask me in our comment section and call me directly. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.